welcome back to Cool Tool Tuesday. Today we just got a nice quick one for you. We're talking about the Fastcap FatBoy Pencil. Why are these guys different than any other pencil, or more useful for you for woodwork? Well, the good thing about these, they've got a really fat, massive lead on them. So it's a 5.5mm thick lead, but you can still get a really nice, clean, sharp point on it. The lead for these are available in 3 different colours. They come in a standard grey lead grey, quite a bold red, and a white as well. The red and the white ones are really good if you're marking dark timbers or things, rough marking things for rough sawing. It can be really, really good just to be able to see it easily in the workshop. Unlike your traditional carpenter's pencils, the kind of rectangular ones, which are great for doing framing and larger work, they're not so good when it comes to doing fine and finishing marking. You can pop these into your pencil sharpener, any standard pencil sharpener, which is also a bonus on the old style carpenter's pencils, like the one on the back of the Fastcap tape. But it'll give you a really nice, really clean, sharp point. Because you've got the weight of the lead behind it, they don't snap as easily as a standard pencil. And if you're one of the smart, lucky people who managed to get one of their flat back tape measures from Fastcap, you'll find that these also work fantastically on the back of. For more information about the FatBoy Pencil by Fastcap, click on the link below and don't forget to hit subscribe. Cheers, guys.